Today I'm speaking at a school with about 700 children. It is Manor Park Primary Academy. Here we go. Bounce high like that, and also like this. Up to handstand. And then one day I said to myself, we have to qualify through the World Championships. And I was training. As I landed on the floor, all I heard was I had torn my cruciate ligament. So I went for the operation, tried to go back to the sport of gymnastics, and it just wasn't the same. And one of my friends said to me, you can use what you've learned in the sport that he was doing. That's actually a sport in the Olympic Games this year for the first time. It's a sport of breakdancing. Simple moves. Then he showed me some more complicated moves. And then he showed me some videos by Michael Jackson. And I was like, an injury that happened to me. And I kept on going to try a new sport. To have an imagination, to be creative, to do different moves, and always be dedicated to what you believe. Have encouragement for yourself. If anything happens in life, that you can always tell yourself the words, I can do it.
The circuits and the assembly were fabulous. The children were really engaged, they were really happy. They loved seeing all of the practical things that you guys were doing, and you guys were amazing. So thank you very much.